Today we will be talking on the stuff how you can sell on Amazon FBA. Amazon is the largest online store. We've already looked at creating your e-commerce store, and this idea is kind of similar, but in this case you're using Amazon's platform. It's cost-effective way of shipping your products and allows you to provide excellent customer service for a small fee. An excellent approach is to determine which product sells well on the platform and look for cheaper versions you can rebrand or resell. The selling process couldn't be more straightforward. You send your items to Amazon and they store it in one of their fulfillment centers. Potential customers can be purchased your items via Amazon or other e-commerce platforms. When things are sold, Amazon packs and picks and ships the items. You can monitor everything via Amazon's tracking system. Amazon provides excellent customer service and manages any returns, such as service isn't free. The fulfillment fee are rather complicated, but there are plenty of online resources that explain how you can calculate the costs. And I will also be talking about another topic here on how you can sell to make money online or on Amazon. Basically, I was talking about Amazon. You can sell pretty much anything from items you've got lying around your house to expensive things or jewelry, but some things sell better than other. The definite no-no would be well-known brand name product. To Amazon customers tend to be looking for decent products that look like tick all the boxes are being sold at a low price. However, for your items to catch buyers' eyes, they have to be similar but better than the rest. Listed under your name. For example, add something extra to other sellers that don't. Better overall service, faster shipping, or a product listing that catches the eye. Just by a few examples. Here are some more criteria to bear in mind. Products should be a niche specific. Items between $10 to $15 tend to be selling more better. Products that are lightweight and small are easier to ship. Brand the product as your name or your own. Avoid the products that are seasonal. Your products should solve a problem or address a need or arrest a need. Look for quality products from a reliable supplier. Choose items in a popular category. For example, books, babies, beauty, accessories and clothing, electronics, outdoor and gardening, fitness, kitchen and home, health, toys, jewelry, and level of expertise: beginner, intermediate, expert. Requirements: products to sell, computer, and other customers for your products. Time you could earn within 6 months. Tools: Amazon account or your e-commerce site. Income potentials are $50 to $1 million per month. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.